Trust. Yeah. They need help. That mission one. Yeah, but do they need help?
Oh, mildew. Dat zie je in de water. It's gone. Yeah.
There was an earthquake. Due to that earthquake, the bridge under construction fell down, and I'm sure there must be a lot of damages went on. Under circumstances as such, we cancel our morning sightseeing. Nevertheless, we're making a short stop here for a while, not for the sightseeing at all, just to find out how things goes on and whether there's a way to give a hand to the local people or not.